Italiano lento con Ale.
Ciao, welcome back to Italian Explained. You've just completed story block 1 of Italy through the eyes of Ale, where all the vocabulary and expressions from mini episodes 1 to 9 come together in one continuous story. Did you try watching without subtitles? How much did you understand? Even if it wasn't everything, did some expressions already feel familiar? If they did, that's exactly how this method is designed to work. If some expressions suddenly felt easy, that's exactly what was supposed to happen. And maybe you noticed something else. Did some words from the song suddenly appear in the story? That wasn't an accident.
Italiano lento con Ale.
Let's start with the very first phone call. There are two expressions worth remembering.
Sì, tutto bene. Sono a 10 chilometri da casa. Va bene, ci sentiamo. Ciao.
The first is sono a 10 chilometri da casa, a very natural way to say how far away you are. Sono a 10 chilometri da casa simply means I'm 10 kilometers from home. You can easily change the distance. Sono a 2 chilometri. Sono a 5 minuti. Sono a un'ora da Roma. It's a very natural way to let someone know how far away you are and that you'll be there soon. The second expression is ci sentiamo. Literally, it means we'll hear each other. But Italians use it to mean we'll talk soon. You'll hear it all the time when people finish a phone call and expect to stay in touch. Now let's look at something a little more advanced. You already know the basics. Buongiorno. Piacere. Mi chiamo. Let's watch that scene again.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Mi chiamo Ale.
Piacere, io sono Antonio.
Piacere. Questa è la mia nuova casa.
Ah, benvenuta. Allora, è la mia nuova vicina di casa?
Sì, che piacere conoscerla.
Il piacere è mio. Arrivederci, Ale. Buona giornata.
Arrivederci.
Did you notice the formal language here? Antonio welcomes Ale with benvenuta. Welcome. Then he asks, è la mia nuova vicina di casa? And Ale replies, che piacere conoscerla. Literally, what a pleasure to meet you. This is a polite expression you'll often hear when meeting someone for the first time. It's more formal than simply saying piacere, so if you've already learned piacere, this is the next natural step. These are small upgrades.
Italiano lento con Ale.
Then you meet those expressions again, in the songs, in the stories, and later, in new conversations. Your vocabulary doesn't grow in isolated lists. It grows through connections. And that's what helps you remember it. And that's exactly how this series works. You don't learn 20 new expressions at once. You simply add 1 or 2 new pieces to what you already know. By the time you hear an expression for the 4th or 5th time, your brain already knows it. Now here's the part many people don't notice at first. The songs aren't a break from learning. They're part of the lesson. That's why nothing in this story happens only once. Everything comes back later. And that's how you remember it.
Italiano lento con Ale.
But before we finish, there's one more scene I'd like to show you.
Grazie, Luca.
Prego, è stato un piacere. Stai bene?
Non lo so. Mi fa molto male il piede.
And that's where our next chapter begins. Congratulations! You've just completed the first part of Ale's journey. Piano piano, we will discover this beautiful place, step by step, insieme. Take care. Ciao!